get over losing my hair many years from now? Will you still be sending me a Valentine birthday greeting? If I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Oh, she's cute. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me? Great! You'll be all the time. And if you say the word, I could stay with you. I can be handy and be a fuse when your lights are gone. You can hit the sweater by the fireside. Sunday mornings, go for a ride. Doing the garden, digging the weeds. Who could ask for more? Everybody sings. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me? Beautiful. Every summer we could rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight. If it's not too dear, we shall scream and say, grandchildren underneath, beer and Chuck and Dave. Send me a postcard, drop me a line, stating points of view. Indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer.